Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make the Egyptian falafel professionally. We will make it with easy substance and suitable way. Continue the video to know how we will make it. We will need 4 beans washed and soaked in regular water for 3 to 4 hours, and leeks I was keeping in the freezer. Green coriander, and here small piece of onion and garlic. Here I will add some of the beans in the mixer and the green coriander with the leeks, with the onion, with the garlic. And here I add some of the beans. Now I will close it and I will start to mix it. Here we finish. Let's see what we will add also to make the Egyptian falafel. And this is the falafel mixture I will add for it also. 1 egg. Also for baking soda, salt, dry coriander and cumin. I will add everything and stir it very well. Here I have some of the dry coriander to cover the falafel face with it. You can use also sesame or the two together. Now I will cover my hand with some of water and I will shape the falafel on the left hand, and with the right hand I will take some of the coriander and cover the falafel. Then flip the falafel on my right hand to put it on the oil. Why we put water on our hand? So the falafel can go down easily from my hand to the oil. Here the falafel gets some color from down. I will flip it on the next side to get also color. Here I will take the falafel out of the oil and put it in another plate to put another amount on the oil. Here we finish. I hope you tried because it's really tasty and crunchy. Also you can make it on the breakfast, on the dinner. Everyone will like it, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share and write your comment. Bye, see you in the next video.